Most people think business starts after saving a lot of money. That belief keeps them stuck for years. In reality, many successful businesses begin small and grow step by step. Today, tools are cheaper, access is global, and customers are online. What matters is choosing the right model, not the biggest budget. In this video, we are sharing top 5 businesses you can start with a $100 investment. Number 5. Digital notes and study guide business. Create clear digital notes or study guides for specific topics. You'll need research skills and organization. The investment goes into formatting tools, while income comes from selling guides repeatedly online. Number 4. Simple landing page creation business. Create one-page websites for offers, events, or services. You'll need basic page-building tools and layout understanding. The $100 covers software and testing, while clients pay for fast, clean landing pages. Number 3. Online profile optimization service. Optimize LinkedIn, freelance, or business profiles to improve visibility. You'll need writing, clarity, and positioning skills. Investment goes into tools and examples, while clients pay for profile rewrites and optimization. Number 2. Short-form content editing service. Edit short videos for social platforms using existing footage. You'll need basic editing skills and simple software. The budget covers tools and internet, while creators and businesses pay per video or on a monthly basis. And number 1. Niche blog setup and management service. Help individuals or small businesses set up simple niche blogs. You'll need basic blogging knowledge, hosting setup skills, and content structure. The investment goes into domain testing, tools, and learning, while clients pay for setup and monthly maintenance. Still, you need more business ideas then. Watch our video on 101 small business ideas to start your business with low investment. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching.